Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are fine. So today's code, can you see it's not like the ones that you've seen, the ones that you know, but it is the perfect one that we're going to use for lunchtime. So let me just add the phone number for those who want to buy the books. Let me just put like this. What can I say here? Let me just write the phone number for those of you who want to purchase the books. Here is the number for WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, as you know, we do UK49 both draws. Let me also specify here both draws now. Both draws. Okay, so this is what is going to happen here now. Today I did put the bonus balls for you, but the funny part, sometimes these bonus balls, they come as bankers. You know, yesterday, like, I was amazed by the code, the way it brought the numbers. It brought the numbers like proper, perfectly. So another thing, if you guys, you can't pay, you can always play what you see there, like 22, 26, 46, 10. But I don't recommend that because it's not accurate, you know. I just need you guys to play exactly what is being predicted. Okay, so we start with the first code, which is 2262. We're going to add up everything. 2 plus 2 is a 4. 6 plus that is an 8. So altogether it gives us a 12. It means that a 12 is going to drop today. So write down the 12 down. And then you see there is a 22. There's a 26. There is a 2 at the end. So what are you going to do? Let me see, when last did we have 26? 26 was bonus yesterday. So what they're going to do, they're going to say plus 10. It's going to give us what? 36. I'm using this other metric prediction, the matrix 10 prediction. It normally works, especially when it comes to a number that has been a bonus, and then that number is supposed to come again. So with the 22, what they can do, they can also add a 10. On top of that, it gives them a 33. So you will see that there are numbers that might repeat as well. Let me see, what can I do here? Let me not confuse you guys with that. Let me just leave the numbers as they are. 12, 36, yes, it's okay. With 22, they're going to, let me show you this. With 22, normally if a 22 is dropped, they'll say plus 1, and then it will give them a what? 23. So that's a high chance of a 23 to come. If they subtract 1, it's going to give them a 21, which is a what? Which is a 12. The 12 that we just saw now. So let's move on to the next code. The next code is 4610. 4610. So with 4610, if we add 4 plus 6 is a 10, plus 1 is an 11. So it means that an 11 can come. And then we go on the side, we say 46, 41, and then 40. When did we get the 40? Remember, this number 40 is a 4 on the other hand. How about the 14? Did I see the 14 somewhere? And then this one you spin is a what? A 14. Then the 49 also spin as a 49. Once you learn the spinning and the splitting of the numbers, you won't go wrong in UK49s. Okay, I think we are done there. There's a 16. This is a banker for today. I'm giving you the banker is 16. It can be the bonus, it can be inside. You know, UK49 people, what they do, but it should be a number that can. Actually, it's a 16 and a 7. Bankers today is 16 and a 7. And actually, I'd forgotten to put the 7 there. Let me just add the 7 at the bonuses. Because I know if they find out that we have played it so much as a bonus, they'll put it inside and make it a banker. Okay, so, sorry. That code says 2697. You see, it's accurate. This one now, it gives us a 26 and gives us a 29 and gives us a 27 as well, which is a split. I don't know who's coming, but I'm 100% sure about this 7 that is going to come. Then after that, you're going to add 2 plus 6 is an 8. 8 plus 9, it should be a 17. 17 plus 7 is a 24. So the 24 is also coming, which means the 24 must also be here. A 12, a 16. These are the numbers that are gonna drop today by fire, by force, lunch and tea time. I'm using one code. Okay, so we go again to 2430. With this one, you crash the 0. Remember our sequence. Then we say 2 plus 43, we get a 45. So now that's how a 45 comes. We say 2 minus 43, it gives us a what? It takes us back to 41, which I did mention earlier on. And then after that, we're going to say 24. 24 plus 3 is equals to 27. So this is how 27 comes again. Then after that, you're going to say 24 minus 3 is equals to 21, which is a 12. So now do you see why I'm always using different codes, so that we spot exactly the number that comes, or the number that is supposed to come. Because if you check the 43, the 24 is clear there, and the 43 is clear. Sometimes they just take like 24, 3. A 3 must also come. I forgot, guys. A 3 must also come. Understand? Or 43, 2. It's all about, that's how they do their codes. Okay, then now I jump again to the last code, which is 194. Then we crash the 0. We say 19 plus 4, it gives us a 23. So do you see that 23 that I had mentioned earlier on? It's coming. And then we say 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4, what should it be? Is it a 15? It's a 15, yes. So now that a 15 has dropped, this is what they do. They say 15 times 2. For example, 15 times 2 is a 30. So it means a 30 will come sorry, in form of a 3. A 3, guys. It will come in form of a 3. That's 30. Don't worry about 15. It's not coming back. Relax about that. And then if we check that there's a 19, which is a what? A spin. It is going to be a 16. If you check, there's also a 49. The other one which you mentioned earlier on, the 49. And then there's a 14, which is a 41. So what you're going to do, start afresh with the video, watch it to the end. Write down each and every number that you see it appears twice. At least maybe you've got, let me say, you have 8 show singles. Go to the pairing app, pair those numbers. Or sometimes just take what I've written, 19, 450, like 19, 14, 23. It can happen, but don't leave the 16, don't leave the 7. Whatever prediction you are doing today. Yeah, guys, thank you very much and happy Easter. I hope you guys are safe. Stay home. Do whatever you do, and just be happy. If you go to church, go to church. If you go partying, go party, but come early. And yeah, I think this is what it is, guys. So for those of you who want to get the books, it's still on 50%. As I've said earlier on, 50% is there for Easter Friday, Easter holidays for the books. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy.